Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your payment methods on Allstate Insurance. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and set up new payment methods. Maybe you want to connect a new credit card or a new debit card with your Allstate account. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Allstate, then click on Payments, and then click on Payment Methods. Now once you click on Payment Methods, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says Add a credit card or debit card or Add a bank account. Now the other options that you see here are your currently connected payment methods. So you might have a payment method that's connected to AutoPay and then another credit card that's not used by AutoPay, which will be shown here. But either way, you can actually manage these AutoPays or remove these cards from your Allstate insurance. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and manage your payment methods on Allstate Insurance. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.